These are the three age pyramids. This is the age pyramid which represents expanding population. This is the age pyramid that represents a stable population, and this is the age pyramid that represents a declining population. What is the use of an age pyramid? The shape of the age pyramid reflects the growth status of a population. It tells us whether a population is growing, whether a population is stable, whether a population is declining. We can get the information from the shape of the age pyramid. Accordingly, we can construct three different types of age pyramid. Age pyramid for expanding population, for stable population, for declining population. You have to learn what is the use of age pyramid. The shape of the age pyramid tells us the growth status of the population. Now, what are the three age groups in a population? In a population, there are individuals belonging to three different age groups. Pre-reproductive, that means very young. Reproductive, adolescents and middle-aged. Post-reproductive, that means old individuals. Accordingly, there are three types of population, or a population has three different status: expanding population, stable population, and declining population. What is an expanding population? An expanding population is one in which number of young individuals is more than number of old members. Birth rate is higher than death rate, so the population expands. Stable population, it is a population in which there are equal number of young and old members. Birth rate is almost equal to the death rate. This population shows zero growth rate. What is a declining population? This is a population in which number of young individuals is less, number of middle-aged and old individuals is more. Death rate is higher than the birth rate, so the population declines, it does not grow. So these are the three types of populations we can represent with the help of age pyramid. Now, population density, the most important attribute of a population. Population density means number of individuals of a species per unit area or volume at a given time. It is represented by D is equal to N by A divided by T. N, number of individuals of a species, A, unit area, T, given time.